some good reasons to compost, and that is to top dress with compost. It is to improve soil health, get those soil microbes working on all the good stuff in your lawn. Now there's a difference between composting in a garden or a landscape bed and the turf, because what we're doing is we're actually top dressing. At 1/2 inch to about 1 inch, no more than that, you want to make sure that that compost actually gets down and has contact with the soil. So we're not burying the turf with this compost. There are a couple of different ways you can spread it. One of them is to get actually a compost roller. It's kind of a bin looking thing. You can rent those. You can actually buy one relatively inexpensively if you have a large area. But you have to make sure your compost is really fine. Or you can use one of my favorite gardening tools, which is a grading rake. You just dump the compost out, you spread it. You want to make sure you get it as even an amount of coverage as you possibly can. You drag that rake downside as opposed to with the tines, and that will get that compost down where it belongs. Let it do its wonderful thing to help make your turf and your soil, of course, look a little bit better. You can aerate first. The compost will go into the holes. You can seed and then compost. You can compost and then seed. The rules are just the same. 1/2 inch to 1 inch, spread it smoothly, and enjoy the fruits of your labor.